Hi folks, and welcome to Masterclass. We all hear these magnificent stories of bush mechanic fixes, people doing things with fencing wire, and it's amazing what you can do. Well, today's not that exciting. Actually, it's about a little bit of wire and what we call mousing shackles, or tie wiring the pin so they can't come out. I've lost count of how many shackles I've lost over the years, and it can be quite a nuisance when you're out on the tracks. And what I'm finding with a lot of new vehicles is the way that the shackles hang from the tow bar mount actually keeps the pin in a fixed position. So the weight of the chains and the shackle tends to undo them, and that's one of my trips. I actually found that it was the way the shackles hung was the reason they were unscrewing and falling out all the time. So with a little bit of tie wire, we're going to make sure that can't happen. All the shackles have an eye in the pin if it's a rated shackle, and that is for mousing. So what we do is we pop our tie wire through the hole, twist it around the shackle, bring the two ends together and give it a twist. Not half as dexterous as I used to be in my younger day, but we'll get it there. Now, by wrapping that wire around the shackle, that pin can only rotate so far. So if it starts to come loose, it'll stop, it won't come all the way out, and our chain will stay secured. Don't be shy to do it. Now, I would highly recommend you don't use cable ties. Cable ties are very susceptible to rock damage. So if you're out on the tracks and you're in limestone country, you're belted along at 100 kilometers an hour, and you've got rocks half the size of your fist hitting those cable ties, they're going to break. They're not going to last very long at all. I'd be very surprised if they last the first 10 kilometers. So a little bit of tie wire in your kit and mouse your shackle up, and they'll stay put for the duration. Thanks for watching, and to catch more great tips like this, follow us on Facebook and get every masterclass as it comes available.